Good morning, everyone. So this morning I will be making meatloaf sticks, okay, with some turkey ground meat. Okay, this is 1 pound of turkey ground meat, and then I will be putting some seasoning. I will be seasoning the meat. So I'm making meatloaf sticks, you guys. So I'm seasoning with some seasoned salt. We're gonna add a pinch of parsley. Okay. We're gonna put some Caribbean garlic. You guys, you know I love Caribbean seasoning. So yeah. I love garlic, so we're gonna sprinkle that. We're gonna put some vegetable seasoning, Caribbean vegetable seasoning. You guys, you know I love Caribbean vegetable seasoning. Oh my God, this is my favorite. I'll probably drown this with it. Then we're gonna add some black pepper. You guys know I love Caribbean black pepper. So we're gonna add some of that. Okay. Then we're going to mash up the ground meat just so the seasoning could like really get up in there. And then before I actually really do the mixing and stuff like that, I'm gonna add 1 egg, you guys. Yes, 1 egg I will be adding. Because remember, I am making meatloaf stick, so we'll be adding that. Okay, we're gonna mix that. As you can see, everything is mixing together. Due to the fact this is only 1 pound, I'm not adding too much seasoning because it's only 1 pound. I'm not making like 4 pounds of turkey ground meat. So mind you, you guys, this is not beef, this is turkey. Okay, so now I done mix that up. Okay, and then we're gonna move this to the side, and I'm gonna show you the dry, you guys. Now with the dry ingredients, for the coating, I will be adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Okay, and then I will be adding not 1 cup of all-purpose flour, sorry, 1 spoon of all-purpose flour and 1 spoon of cornmeal, and we will mix it together. Okay, because I have to have my cornmeal with my flour, so we're going to add a little bit more because this is for the dipping of the meatloaf sticks. Okay, and that's how we do it. And I put some seasoning inside of there, but I'm still gonna add some parsley to the flour. I'm gonna add some garlic just to season it up, you know, even though I have seasoning already in there. So hey guys, so I'm back again. I'm gonna switch bowls because I used a totally small bowl for this mixture. So we're gonna mix the bowl, switch bowls to a bigger bowl, so that way I could put the hamburger sticks in. Okay. So now I'm gonna show you how I roll these hamburger sticks. Okay, so we take a scoop. You're gonna see me roll just 1. So you're gonna see me take that. Okay, what I do is I make them into meatloaf sticks. I don't want to make them too big, too thick. Okay, So put them in, coat them, coat it, coat it. Coat it again. Just so you can get an idea how I roll them. These are, so you will see them. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. These are meatloaf sticks. So you're gonna see them in the pan. Okay, I will be right back. I'm gonna place my oil into the pan, which is the olive oil. So I could be able to fry my meatball sticks. Okay, that should be enough. Now we're gonna let the oil get hot. We're gonna let this oil get really hot. And once the oil get hot, we're going to fry. Okay. Now we're gonna place the oatmeal sticks into the pan to fry. I meant not the oatmeal sticks, sorry. Now we're gonna place the meatloaf sticks into the pan to fry. Okay. Now I would suggest when you are making these oatmeal sticks to place them into the refrigerator so they could basically stick together in the way that you roll them. So yeah, I have them placed in the olive oil. You can also make like little rings. I usually do little donut rings with the meatloaf sticks. You can also make a little like donut ring, which is cute. I usually do this for my son. You can see a little donut ring. And yeah, so they're gonna fry. All of them should fit inside the pan. Okay, and we let them fry. Okay, so now I am turning the burgers around. As you can see, the meatloaf sticks around. As you can see, they get brown on one side. So mind you, this is these are burger sticks. Okay. So y'all already know how these things are already gonna cook. So we let them cook on each side, and then you're gonna see how they look. Because they already crispy. I can't turn this one around because you know it's still cooking on that side. Let me see. Okay, yeah. So as you can see, they're cooking. Now you do see the coloring of the oil is because everyone knows when you cook turkey ground meat, it does color up the oil really quick. So yeah, so this cooks really pretty quick. So I just turned it over. You see how crispy it is on this side, and then I'll let you see the rest. Okay. Now I'm flipping them over again. As you can see, the donut round that I made with the meatloaf sticks, and I also made a meatloaf donut ring which is pretty cute. I just wanted to decorate, you know, it's the holiday. I make some little donut rings with the burger meat. So yeah, these are meatloaf sticks and also donut rings. So you could design, you could do creative things with your food, and that's what I wanted to show everyone. Okay, so as you can see, the stick, you see how nice and crispy that stick is? Nice and crispy. Okay, so you can turn it back around so you're liking how crispy you want it. You can make it to how crispy you want the sticks. Like, I like the sticks really crispy, so look at that. That looks really good, right? Let me show you a close-up. How crispy that is. That looks really good, the meatloaf sticks. Okay, so we're going to continue to let them fry, and I will be right back. Hi, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed this. As you can see, these are the meatloaf sticks, fried meatloaf stick, and the sidings are some salsa dip, marinara salsa dip. It has spice to it, and it's really, really good. And this would be great for your serving for like guests. And then you could also sprinkle some parsley on top. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and don't forget, follow Hoodalicious Cooking, okay? Because I always got different types of recipes, okay? And these are really great for the holiday. You can see the donut ring, you can see the regular meatloaf stick, you can see the little donut ring. So you could do different things with the hamburger meat. But yes, don't forget, subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you guys in my next cooking video. Bye.